Ever notice how migraines often show up right before your period? That's not a coincidence. Hormonal migraines are real, and they affect women 3 times more than men. But here's the good news. They're not just about hormones, they're about hormone resilience. Hormonal migraines usually strike right before your period, during ovulation or during perimenopause. Estrogen and progesterone directly impact your brain blood vessels and nervous system. When estrogen drops suddenly, your brain becomes more sensitive to light smells, noise, stress, and pain. But the real question is, why are women so vulnerable to this drop in estrogen? In functional medicine, we look deeper. Hormonal migraines often happen when there's poor blood sugar control, high stress liver congestion, low magnesium, and gut imbalances impacting estrogen recycling. The real solution isn't just taking pain meds or hormone therapy. It's about restoring hormone resilience. Support your liver, stabilize your blood sugar, replenish magnesium, balance your gut. Your hormones aren't the enemy. They're powerful. They just need support. So if hormonal migraines are stealing your energy and peace, it's time to go deeper. Your body isn't broken. It's asking for balance, and healing is possible naturally.